In our Schedule tab, there's a feature built in called Configure, which allows you to configure every digit in the model number by selecting from those fields that have options, such as the cabinet. Do we want a vertical or horizontal unit? Well, let's go vertical. And you can see it put the letter V in that position. Hot water generator, essentially a desuperheater. No, don't want one on this unit. We can go through water coil. Our choices are copper or Copper-Nickel. Let's go with copper. And as we go through this, you'll see the model number gets completed, as well as the list price may get updated. Discharge configuration. We want a top discharge. We want a right return. The controls, yes, I want the full monitoring package. Do I want the refrigerant mitigation sensor? Let's see, it'll cost me $652. Well, I don't think I need it. None. IntelliStart. This is a 3.5 ton. Yeah, I'm going to put an IntelliStart at $628. It helps reduce the locked rotor amps. So we can click that. So now we have a fully developed model number. We have the list price. And we do need some accessories. How about a thermostat? Let's go with the communicating. Well, first of all, do we need an aid tool? No, I've already got one, so I don't need it. How about a communicating thermostat? Auxiliary heaters. Yeah, I want a 10 kW internal mounted. And then do we need a pad, a high density plastic or a PEX foam pad? We'll go with the high density. Controls, Aurora Web Link. In other words, do I want it connected to the internet for remote monitoring? Yes, it's the only way to go. IntelliZone. Do I want to use IntelliZone on this product? Nope, I don't. So I'm done with the accessories. It comes up with the price for those accessories, adds it to the total. We're going to save configuration. What you'll see happened, it puts that full model number here, but then it populates all the electrical data related to that model. So that's our feature, and when you get done configuring all the heat pumps in your system, you can export this to an Excel spreadsheet. And that's our schedule and configuration functionality.